Hello guys, welcome to another Omnitrix video. I was reading the comment section of the last video and this one caught my attention. I don't have the classic Omnitrix effects at the moment, but I can do something similar. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. This is the basic Omnitrix with sound effects. As per usual, we will open it so that we will have an overview of how it works. Let's go. After removing the 4 screws, we will be able to open the omnitrix. Just slowly lift the cover on top, like so. So it's just the 4 screws holding the top cover from the base. Let's have a look at the top cover first. As you can see, there are 2 springs. Obviously that will, this spring right here and there on the other side, that will hold the top cover every time the bezel is pushed down. So you can turn this freely if you try to turn it. Moving on, here's the internal parts of the basic omnitrix. So I left the battery there and it is on at the moment. So here, let me show you something. So this is a switch for the sound effects. So when you push the bezel down, you're actually mechanically actuating or triggering the switch. And inside, I don't know if you can see it, right there, there are 4 switches like that inside. So every time you turn the bezel, you're triggering 4 switches at a time. And so if you turn those 4 switches into binary code, you'll be able to assign one alien to one binary code. And this code corresponds to one alien sound. Let's say 3 switches are on and 1 is off. This would correspond to a particular alien. This is the on and off switch, as you can see. And that green circular thing is a speaker and 2 removable straps on each side. Now let's try to put it back. Before doing so, let's make sure the upper cover is aligned to the base. There's a slot on this side and I'm placing it in front of the switch. And on the top cover, I'm placing the notch also in front of the switch. This is the notch. Now let's marry the 2 things together. Now turn it a little bit and find the correct position, like so. Now let's put back the 4 screws. Now there you have it. We're done with the video. So guys, if you like that one, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.